Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be continuation of my last video, which was about creating the pattern of this shirt dress. Today I'll be showing you how I sew the shirt dress. So if you want to see how I sew the shirt dress, keep watching. If you haven't seen how I make the patterns, click on the box here on the screen to go straight to the video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the rest of the video. I love you. So guys, here is the fabric I'm working with. I have cut out my front and back piece. So here is my back piece. Like I said, I'm cutting this on fold. So here is I just have one piece, and here is the front panel. So I have two pieces and I'm making it a gown shirt. So I will be adding my stay to this side. So after adding my stay, I'll fold ½ inch in, then 1 inch. So I'll measure 1 inch here. Hope you get. So I'll show you what I have when I'm done. So guys, I'm done with ironing this thing. So here is what we have. So I will cut this off. Just make sure you cut it straight. Do the same to the other side too. I'll sew this side. Like I'll leave like 0.2 inches. And so on both sides, I will join my back piece to my front piece at the shoulder line. This is the effect that I was talking about. The reason we added that 2.5 inches for the placket, so that it can overlap here, so that you can just make your button and your buttonholes and it overlap just like that. So guys, here is what we have. So here is what it looks like after sewing. The next thing is to take your tape rule and measure around the neckline. 17.25 inches. Next thing is to notch your shoulder line. What you have to do is just to make sure that the armhole line rhyme together. Here is it. So I'll be notching this. This is the midpoint. Do the same thing on the other side. So guys, making the collar stand. This is my stay. I fold it into two. I divided 17.25 divided by 2. So here is what you have. I have 8.625. I'll mark the midpoint of 8.625. Should be around here. Yeah. So from this end, I'll be going up by ½ inch, 0.5 inch. From this midpoint here, I'll connect my slant line to this point. Okay. So from here, I'll measure 1 inch all through from here to here. Just follow the slant line. From this edge, I'll come in like 0.75 inch. I just don't want it straight. You can leave it straight. So I'll just make a curved line from here, join it to this point here. So I'll cut this out, then place on my fabric and leave ½ inch on all sides. So for the collar, I measure my 8.625 here also on this folded line. So I'll be coming up by ½ inch. From here, I'll connect the slant line to this edge here. I'll mark 2.5 inches. Not from the slanted line now, from here, from the edge of your stay, mark 2.5 inches. Then go in by 1 inch here. So mark 1 inch here, then you slant it to the edge of the line. Yeah, so here is what we have. So I will draw my slant line. Okay, so I'll be cutting this out. So I'll cut that on my fabric, leaving 1/2 inch. So guys, here is what it looks like. So I added 1/2 inch all through, yeah, and I cut out 2, but the other one is not having stay. For this, I'll just sew from here through to this side. I'll leave this edge open. I'm giving it a notch so that it will be easy for me to turn to the other side. And after turning to the other side, I'm going to top stitch all round. Guys, the next step is to place this in between this. Make sure that it falls to this curved side here. For it to be accurate, so you notch the midpoint of this and do the same for this too. So I'll start sewing from the midpoint. Yeah. So you stop here, leaving the 1/2 inch. Then we do the same to the other side too. What it looks like after giving the nice press. So guys, I have notched the midpoint of this, so I'll be attaching it to the midpoint of the neckline of my dress, right sides facing each other. Then I'll pin. So guys, here is what we have after joining that. So now with the guide of the state, so I'll be folding in this part, then I'll top stitch all through to the end. So guys, here is the sleeve. Yeah, if you are here to check out my video on how to make a basic sleeve, please, you need to check it out so that I can make this sleeve. So here is the sleeve here. I've already cut it out, then I notched it. Here is showing the front part, and here is the back part, which have 2 notches. You need to check out my video on how to make this basic sleeve. My customer wants a short sleeve, so that's why I'm making it short. So you can actually use your pattern to make both long, short and 3/4 sleeve as you want it. So yes, I'll be adding my sleeve to my shirt, and after that I will sew the side, and that's all. So I'll show you what we have when I'm done with this. This is it. So I went ahead to add the buttons and the buttonholes. I just love the print on this fabric. It's so colorful, so nice. I love it. So I want you guys to share this video, like, comment, let me know if this is helpful. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.